Ever feel like you're on a hamster wheel, going nowhere fast? Just working paycheck to paycheck, with no end in sight. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a little extra income flowing in, even while you sleep or sip margaritas on a beach somewhere? The answer to your financial woes might be buzzing right under your nose, or rather above your head. Today at Nature's Academy, we're going to learn a valuable lesson from a creature known for its tireless work ethic and impressive social organization, the honeybee. Bees are the ultimate masters of creating passive income. They work hard for a season, gathering nectar and pollen. But then their ingenious honeycombs take over. The honey, a delicious and valuable resource, is produced continuously, requiring minimal ongoing effort from the bees themselves. Think of it as nature's automated honey-making machine. The bees put in the upfront work, but then they get to relax and enjoy the sweet rewards, literally. Now, let's translate this bee wisdom into the world of personal finance. Passive income is any income that you earn with little to no ongoing effort. These could be things like rental properties that bring in rent each month, stock dividends that pay out regularly, or even royalties from creative work like music or writing. Just like the bees filling the honeycomb, these investments generate a steady stream of income over time. Of course, building a passive income stream doesn't happen overnight. Bees spend a lot of upfront time gathering resources and constructing their honeycombs. Similarly, there's often an initial investment required on your end, buying a rental property, funding a stock portfolio, or putting time and effort into creating something that generates royalties. But once established, these passive income sources can keep generating income for years to come, even while you focus on other things. Now, hold on a minute. Before you quit your day job and dream of living solely off honey or passive income, there are a few things to consider. Bees don't just sit back and enjoy the honey all day. They continue to work hard, maintaining the hive, collecting new resources, and ensuring the queen bee stays happy, which is a whole other story for another day. Just like that, passive income shouldn't be your only financial strategy. You'll likely still need to earn an active income to cover your everyday expenses. Think of passive income as the honey, a sweet reward for your initial effort and ongoing management. Here's another lesson from the beehive: sustainability. A responsible beekeeper doesn't take all the honey, leaving the bees with nothing. They harvest what they need, while ensuring the hive continues to thrive. The same goes for your passive income sources. You want to make sure they remain sustainable in the long run. Do your research, choose the right investments, and reinvest some of your earnings to keep the honey flowing. By following the honeycomb hustle, you can create a financial future filled with freedom and security. Passive income streams can help you reach your goals faster, whether it's early retirement, traveling the world, or simply having a financial safety net. Imagine being able to spend more time with your family, pursue a passion project, or even volunteer for a cause you care about, all because you have a steady stream of passive income coming in. Use it to pay down debt, save for a dream vacation, or simply give yourself some peace of mind, knowing you have a financial cushion. So, take a page out of the honeybee's playbook. Start building your own financial honeycomb today. The natural world is full of incredible teachers. All you have to do is open your eyes and learn. Remember, with a little effort and planning, You too can create a financial future that buzzes with possibility. Don't forget to subscribe to Nature's Academy for more wild financial lessons. And in the comments below, let us know what kind of passive income streams you're interested in learning about. Thanks for joining us.